So welcome learners to this class. We are looking at longitudes and latitudes from 4 work. Let us look at this example. Two towns A and B lie on the same parallel of latitude 60 degrees to the north. They lie on the same latitude 60 degrees to the north. If the longitudes of A and B are 42 degrees to the west and 29 degrees to the east respectively, find the distance between A and B in Roman 1 nautical miles and also in kilometers along the parallel of latitude. So Lana, how do you go about that? The first thing is to draw such a globe. You draw the globe so that you see the places clearly. So you are told A and B lie on the same latitude 60 degrees to the north. You come and draw your latitude like that, and you label it 60 degrees to the north. Then you are told that if the longitudes of A and B are this and this respectively, so the longitude of A is 42 degrees to the west. West is this side. This is west and this is east. So A lies on 42 degrees to the west. So you come and draw like that. You can even label that 42 degrees to the west. So Lana, A lies on this latitude and this longitude, and therefore A is there. What about B? B lies on the same latitude but 29 degrees to the east. 29 degrees to the east. Let's say that is 29 degrees to the east. So B lies here, Lana. So from there, you are now told to find the distance between A and B, the distance between A and B in nautical miles. Lana, to get this distance here, the first thing that we need to know is that A and B lie on a small circle. A and B lie on a small circle. This is a small circle, 60 degrees to the north. Then from there, Lana, if they lie on the same circle, then complete that small circle. You can complete it using broken lines like that. So this is our circle, Lana. This is our small circle. Put its center there. And so A and B lie on, they lie on a small circle, and therefore this distance here is the length of an arc. This is an arc, Lana. This is an arc, and therefore if we put a radius here, and you also fix another radius there, and we get this angle here, then we can be able to get this length of an arc. Okay, so how do we get this angle here, Lana? This angle reflects the longitude difference, the difference between this longitude and this. This is 42 degrees to the west and 29 degrees to the east. What is the longitude difference? 42 degrees to the west of the Greenwich meridian and 29 to the east of the Greenwich meridian. So what is the longitude difference? The longitude difference, Lana, is that you add 42 degrees and 29, and so it is 71 degrees. 71 degrees. So that longitude difference is reflected at the center of the circle like that. This angle here, subtended by the arc, is 71 degrees. 71 degrees there. So Lana, what is the distance in nautical miles? In nautical miles, Lana, you take this angle, 71 degrees, you multiply by 60 nautical miles. We have learned this in Form 4, 60 nautical miles. And now that the two are on a small circle, you multiply by cos of the latitude angle. Cos of the latitude angle, and our latitude angle is 60. So Lana, you take the angle at the center, multiply by 60 nautical miles, cos of the latitude angle. You work out this using a calculator and you'll get 2,130 nautical miles. Good. We go to Roman 2, Lana. Roman 2, we are told to calculate the distance in kilometers. So what is the distance between AB in kilometers? So you talk of the angle at the center, 71 over 360. This is like form 2 work, although there are some for 4 work somewhere. So the angle at the center over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius of the earth, which is normally 6,370 kilometers. So the angle at the center over 360 times 2 pi r. Now that they are on a small circle, remember we normally say times cos of the latitude angle. So Lana, we work out that using a calculator, and therefore you should get 3,948.39 kilometers to the nearest 2 decimal places. So Lana, go ahead and internalize this, that when they are on a small circle, you just take the angle at the center, you multiply by 60 nautical miles times cos of the latitude angle. To give you that in nautical miles. In kilometers, this arc length here is the angle at the center of the 360 times 2 pi r. R is the capital R, the radius of the earth, which you are normally given as 6370 times the cos of the latitude angle again. And therefore you work out, you get that. All the best, learner. Go and do practice, because without practice you cannot perform well in mathematics. Practice so that you master the concept. God bless you very much.